Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing my new Mossberg 535 ATS. I believe it's called the Field/Deer pump combo. It comes with two barrels, a 28-inch barrel with chokes, and a 24-inch fully rifled barrel. So here's the shotgun. It has the 24-inch rifled barrel on it. So in this box here must be the 28-inch barrel. So here's our 28-inch barrel that was in the box. I got this for a pretty decent price, that's why I chose this particular gun. It has a 3.5-inch chamber, so you can shoot 3.5-inch loads out of it. But what mainly made me want this gun in particular is that it came with these two specific barrels. Because I already have a shotgun with a short 18-inch barrel with no chokes, so now what I wanted was a long barrel with chokes and a fully rifled barrel. So now I'll be able to shoot sabot slugs out of the rifled barrel, and I'll be able to compare patterns between my short 18-inch barrel and its longer 28-inch barrel. It comes with 3 chokes. One of them is already in its barrel, but it also comes with this thing which is used for putting the chokes in or taking them out. So right here we have an improved cylinder choke, and here we have a modified choke. Let's take the one out that's in the barrel already. Once you get it out a little bit, it's actually easier to just screw it out with your hand. So inside the barrel we had a full choke. So this model comes with a full choke, a modified choke, and an improved cylinder choke. All for the long 28-inch barrel. Of course I'll be doing lots of tests now between all 3 of these chokes. That's long barrel and my shorter barreled shotgun to compare the patterns between birdshot and buckshots at various ranges. And of course we have the owner's manual and a lock. So anyways, that's the gun. And that's how it came packed. Now let's have some fun and shoot something. Since it came with the rifled barrel on it, I figured we should try the rifled barrel first. The slug I'm going to be using is a 690 round ball. Shout out to Michael Larimore for sending me slugs. If it wasn't for him, I wouldn't have this slug to shoot right now. But anyways, it's just a 69 caliber round ball of lead. I think it weighs around 450 grains, and I hand loaded this on top of about 19 grains of red dot. So let's go ahead and shoot our pumpkin over here with a 690 pumpkin ball. This will be the first ever slug shot out of this rifled barrel. And here's what the slug did to that. There's pieces of pumpkin all over here. And we have a nice entry hole. That's a lot bigger than 69 caliber. And it actually didn't do all that's on the top. The pumpkin fell apart as I was transporting it here. Apparently it was a little rotten, but it went in there and exited right here. So that was our exit hole on the pumpkin. Sorry about that last part with the slug. I didn't realize the top half was cut off, so you couldn't see the shell I was holding or anything. Hopefully you can see now. But anyways, now let's try our long barrel. I've taken the chokes out, so there's no choke in it right now. And we're just going to be using standard Winchester target loads. I have 3 little propane cans set up over here. Unfortunately, they're already all empty, but let's just go ahead and shoot them anyways. Okay, so that's it for our Mossberg 535 ATS unboxing video. I'll be making lots of more 12 gauge videos soon. Until next time, thanks for watching.